अभी लेकिन मुझसे ना
नहीं पार्टी भी है
हमारे लिए भी है
हाँ
तो मैंने तो नहीं किया
मेरे तो पिछले साल से 100 पड़े
यार ये इधर है बोले मैं इतना ज़्यादा बोल रहा
लीनियर इक्वेशन हिस्टोग्राम पैराग्राफ सब पढ़े मेरे
अरे वो लिंक पे इसका ग्रुप पे अबे आया ना उसको नहीं था
अरे
नहीं भाई मैंने तो
अरे देखा पर कर सकते हो फोटो आया था फोटो
फोटो है आप भेज दो आपको कुछ स्टार्ट है
Rajasthan. And all of it. Hello, Vedant.
Sorry, they were there in the last. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. What's going on in the background?
I came to know. You people don't tell me now. When you people all said, all experts said, oh, go on. Hello, unmute. Can you hear me? Vedant and Aditya. Previous ones you heard now. Last
Yes, sir.
exercise. Okay. Chalo,
Yes.
open the notebook, all of you. Open the notebook. What happened? Yes, all of you. Huh? Sitting.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Who's that?
My dad. I never perfectly attended the mostly have been voice.
Okay, sir. So, right, linear equation, you know, right? Linear equation is one variable. Written when last class you wrote pair of chapter table, no? Linear equation one variable. I don't need to write what is linear equation one variable. Okay, what is linear equation one variable? Equation of degree 1 and having how many variables? One variable. So it's general, right? General form is ax plus b equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Linear equation in one variable. That is a heading. Oh, these all people, what is asking? Written below, Ritika,
Yes.
the general form is ax plus b equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. First time we are seeing outside. You're looking in someone's kitchen or?
No.
Shame on you. Solution. Solution is. Listen. Solution is x equal to minus b upon a. Solution is x equal to minus b upon a. Do you know how many solutions are there? Only one solution. Okay, understood. One question, simple question solved. Nobody will look into others' book. If anyone look into others' book, means both will get slapped. Simple question like solve. Who is that? Maybe solve. I have not given any complicated ones. Done means close the book. Close the book. Get the answer. Do. Don't resolve. What happened? No. Chapter. Open the book. Open the book. Okay, leave it now. That's me. Open the book. Open the book.
No.
Hey. Don't understand. Copy here. See?
Thank you.
Very Let's hear.
Now look here. There are people, some are not done, some are done. Look here. To solve, Vedant, what is your answer?
So I got 12 by 13.
Aditya, what did you get?
Same, sir.
Same. Both copied. Chalo, look here. First and foremost thing is, how many terms are there altogether? 4. LHS 1, 2. RHS also 1 and 2. 4 terms are there. All 4 separate terms are there. Okay. To solve this, so what is the meaning of solve? Find the unknown value. What is unknown? X. Collect all the x in one side, constant in another side. Rule is what? Shifting the side. Plus changes to minus. Minus changes to plus. Multiplication changes to division changes to. So I will bring this 6x to this side means what will happen? Plus 6. Minus 8 to this side. Therefore, first step it is 7x plus 6x is equal to 4 plus 8. 7x plus 6x you can add. 13x is equal to divide cross multiplication will come 12 upon 30. X equal to 12 upon 30. This is the answer, you will get it. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, some of you got the answer, some of you I am not telling. Followed. Those who are not followed, these are all things you have to keep in mind. Without knowing this one, you cannot do the chapter. This is not this one here. This is linear equation 1 variable. This you must be done in which standard, you know? 5th or 6th or 7th. Okay, even 8th also. Some similar ones are done. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, now. Array, to close the book now, I will ask you to open everything. Don't worry. Now, this is the one. Fraction one I don't need to give. Later it will come. When fraction, LCM and all. Don't make mistake. Do you know what is the linear equation in 2 variable?
Yes.
Yes, who is that? Yes, sir. You need the next one.
Okay.
You just do. Yes, Ritika. Degree one. Did anyone have? Sometimes we should make the equation. 2 variables and the degree is 1. Okay, what is the general form?
A plus B plus C
Yeah?
0. A plus B plus C.
Ax plus b equal to?
Yes.
Where are the 2? You stop thinking. Ray 2 variable means ax. This how many variables are there? That's in Mr. Kumar. Then how did you get ax plus b equal to ax? It's 2 variables. The general form is coming as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of the last year you studied or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? I'll bring the your bro got the textbook now, check in the book. He will tell you. Linear equation 2 variable, there was a chapter was there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. This is the general form of the linear equation. Now everyone started writing. Array, wait now, we will make it right. Don't worry. Now, how many solutions are there for a linear equation 2 variable? Sure.
Yes.
You can find out with final solutions.
Yes.
It is not the lag. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anuj, what do you think?
Infinite.
Sure no?
Yes.
You know how to find out infinite solutions?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, do you know what does it represent? That representation will come later. Right, linear equation in 2 variables. Linear equation in 2 variables. Chester, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Yeah. Written. Its general form is. General form is. General form is. Written. Not right. General form is ax plus by plus c equals ax plus by plus c equals a and b both are non-zero. Okay. What is coefficient of x here?
A.
Coefficient of y.
B.
Constant of
C.
All of you know this page now?
Yes.
Below it has how many solutions?
Infinite.
It has infinite solutions. It has infinite solutions. A and B are not equal to 0. Generally in the textbook will give x square plus b square not equal to 0. Some of them. Okay. Now. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
This can you write this? Okay, if it is coming as 3x plus 7 equal to 0, can you write this into a linear equation 2 variable? 3x plus 0y plus 7 equal to 0. That's why sometimes even if it is one variable, it is gone. There is a confusion part it is. Okay. Now, look. It has infinite solution also you wrote. Do you know what does it represent? It represents a straight line. One girl started sleeping. I don't know who's that name. Okay, it represents a right. Graphically, it represents a straight line. Graphically, it represents a straight line. Graphically, it represents a straight line. Straight line. Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
So you know how to find the solutions now?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Only 2 people only said.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
3 people more said. Lesson knows how to find the solution of equation given. One girl will tell 1 second. I'll give more than 1 second. Okay, find 3 solutions. Find 3 solutions of equation I'll give. Okay, 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Find 3 solutions for 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. 3 solutions. Who got the answer? Who got 3 solutions? Think the room. You got
About 1.
3 I asked you.
Sir, I'm doing it.
You don't answer. Don't worry. You got any solution? You don't know. Yes, they're not able to do. Hazel, cutting whatever not able to do. Cut together. We want to do it.
No,
Fast one. We will this Indika. Done. She's cutting it.
Answer.
It's not the way.
Done, sir.
Done. No steps, nothing. No steps required. Oh, hello, my friend. Steps are required? Not required. I don't know the steps you know. Okay. Okay. This one, this man, Darshan Kumar. Sorry, I didn't Darshan one. Read the solution. What did you get?
2 and 3.
2 and 3 or 2, 3?
2, 3.
Okay.
5, 5.
5, 5.
8, 7.
8, 7. These are the 3 solutions you got. Anyone got this solution? All 3. Anyone got this solution? Did you get this solution
Sir, I
or not?
got 2, 3.
Look here. Slow?
I did not know. So
What is this slope? I don't use since long time. Is
I
slope.
tried to because
You know how to check whether it's a solution or not. Just substitute and see whether it satisfies. Now listen, don't do that way. No. I think there are some mistake. No. Do you know how to Ritika? Listen now. Do you know how to express x in terms of y? Yes or no? Tell. No. Do you know how to express y in terms of x? One says yes, others. Tell. Now look here. First and foremost thing is this equation. I can write 2x is equal to 3y minus 5. X is equal to 3y minus 5 upon 2. Can you write this way?
Yes.
This is called expressing. This is called what? X in terms of y. X is equal to. This is where it is called what? Expressing x in terms of y. I'm going to express y in terms of x. All of you listen. Means same way y value. See here it is minus 3 now. So what I do means shift that 3y to that side. 2x plus 5 is equal to 3y. Then what do you have to do?
2x plus 5 upon 5.
Therefore y is equal to 2x plus 5 upon 3. This is called y in terms of x. All of you followed? Krisha followed or not? Why I'm telling this is the part. There sometimes they'll ask, I did no need to write it. Listen now. You got book free of course somewhere. Whatever I read, she immediately write. Okay, this is called x in terms of y. This is called y in terms of x. Are you followed? She is thinking, mommy is cooking something, so everything. Then listen carefully here. Okay, if I write one question, next question you'll do it on the go. First thing is to solve this one. Write either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Immediately Darshan will say, is it compulsory? Not compulsory, easier way. Okay. So now look here. Check.
What I did is correct.
Listen now, yeah, you did correct or wrong, you will see now. Where are your steps? Any steps are there? Huh? No steps now. What step you will see now? I'm going to write and show. This one. Either this way or that way. Easier way to write means which is the smallest denominator. 3 is smallest or bigger is 2. So this. So always try to take a smaller denominator, that will be better. Even the other way also. Now what you do means you will substitute some value for y to get the value of x. As far as possible without fraction get it. Even fraction also is correct. There is no problem. If I put y is equal to 0, so what will you get? 3 into 0? 0. Minus 5. Minus 5 by 2. 2.5. I can, instead of that one, if I put y is equal to 1, what will you get? X is equal to how much? 3 into 1. 3 minus 5.
1.
3 minus 5 by 2 is minus 2 upon 2, which is equal to minus 1. This is the first solution. Okay. How to get then another solution? If you get without fraction, whatever denominator, just keep on add or subtract with y. Add 1 plus 2 is 3. Replace. How much you get? 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 5, 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. Second solution. Okay.
Sir, if it does,
Which one? This one?
yeah.
I shifted no, this 3y to that
No,
side.
sir, after this, what you did?
Cross divide by 2, cross multiplication.
No, after this, what you
After this, you just put some value for y. I put 0, but it become a fraction. I put 1, it become 3 minus 5, minus 3 by 2. That is fine. Okay, that become minus 1. Are you followed? Okay. Then after getting this one, so without fraction you go. Just keep on add the denominator. Without fraction you will get always. Either add denominator or subtract the denominator. So you got. Now if I put y is equal to 5, you can check. X is equal to how much? 3 into 5. How much? 15. 15 minus 5. 10 upon 5. Are you followed now?
Yes, sir.
Again you can add one more. 7. Substitute. Or even subtract. 1 minus 1. Y equal to minus 1. If you substitute, what do you get? 3 into minus 1. Minus 3. Minus 5. Minus 8. minus 8 upon 2 minus. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Now if okay, minus 4. If the solution to be written as how to write the solution means in the tabular form, if the table making means tabular form, first you write x, second you write y. This way. First one's x values are which? Minus 1. Y value is what? 1. Second one x value is what? 2. Y value is how much? 3. Always remember x value first, y value second. Whatever you can 5 and 5. If you want to write another one, what do you get? Minus 4 and minus. Have you followed all of you?
Yes.
Everyone. So this is the way to get. Most of the time you can get the solution without fraction. There are sometimes without you will get with the fraction is unavoidable. Okay. Why we without fraction means plotting. This is graphical method we have to do. Plotting the points on the graph means without decimal it's always convenient. 5 by 2 and all you can do. 5 by 2, 2.5 and all you can do. But 5 by 3, 5 by 7 and all coming exposed. Are you followed this one to find the solution? Okay, this way. The solutions not necessary. I calculated, he calculated, different solutions we can get. Why? Because it has how many solutions? Infinite solutions. Out of infinite, I took only 4. He must have taken another 4. There is no problem. Are you followed? This way you can solve it. Followed?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Any confusion there, please tell. No confusion. This way question will come now. If you completed, I will go to the next one. I am not going to give the this one questions again.
Yes, sir.
Done now? Krisha done.
Sir.
Neera,
Oh, sir.
your answers were correct? You did not do anything. You did make this. Following? Sure. Completed? Somebody said no. Online people? Who with us?
Yes, sir.
Is my computer.
Yes.
Huh?
Sir, I'm ready.
अच्छा वेदांत Neera is calling.
No,
Yeah, I thought you called me. Neera,
yes, sir.
completed.
No. Really, give me just a
Well, I will stand over there, she will tell me. Understand the concept, I will give some questions. Is it clear now, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hey, hello, why you doing it? Okay, 3x minus 6 equal to 0. This is which type of equation? Okay. Now, solution all of you know now?
Yes.
What is the solution of this one? X equal to 2 now. 3x equal to 6. 6 by 3. Listen carefully. If I ask you to represent this one, what will you get? Straight line. One straight line. Dot straight line. Straight line. It's a straight line.
Yes, sir.
Other terms are straight line. Dot. Two variable one is not a straight line.
Then 2 variable is straight line.
And one variable is not a straight line. This is a straight line.
Many points.
Finally decided, all of you can. All of you agreed to a point.
Yes, sir.
Why are you poking him all the time? Oh, chalo. Acha book only. I thought always he's looking.
No.
Only one book is touched. What happened to you? No troubling. Okay. Okay. So all of you agreed to a point now.
Yes.
Oh, Ritu. Okay. Now look here. If this Vedant, what does it represent? They all said point. You are pointless. Think now. Aditya, what do you think?
I think straight line.
Straight line. Now look here. This point is x equal to 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If it is considering it as a one variable, it represents a point. Graphically, it represents a straight line. What does it graphically it represent? Straight line. How graphically? Anuj,
Yes, sir.
you studied the entire graph in linear equation in the school.
Yes, sir.
Then you were sleeping that night.
Which time, sir?
So it was not taught in the school.
No, sir, it's absent.
So you are absent here also. Okay.
We were activity on
This is called x equal to 2.
it. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, the line will start.
Graphically means it is a line which is parallel to which axis? Y axis. That I will come again. Don't worry. Okay now. Okay, if it is one variable means it is a point on the number line. Two variable graphically means it is a line, okay, which is parallel to them. Okay, all of you follow that much?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll stop over here. Now, next class when you are coming, remember, listen, whenever the next class when you are coming, all of you must carry graph book or graph paper. Along with the graph paper, following things has to carry one pen pencil, one scale, one eraser, one chart. Okay, next, don't tell. So you said only graph book. Okay. Okay. And one of you will inform your friend Harshita. Who is Harshita?
On group now.
On whatever it is that I don't know. Okay, this much. So graphical method I am going to explain little later. You have Aryan, follow now. Graph book, bring it. You have now? Otherwise 5. Okay, one graph. Okay, now look here. I think graph. How much by I don't know. Statistics graph is there on what I. Next is we are going to talk about pair of linear equations. Pair means you know. Don't know what you mean by pair?
Yes, sir.
Pair means how many? Two. Pair of linear equation in two variables. So pair means there are two linear equations. Its general form will come as this way. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. And A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. This is the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair means how many equations? Two equations. If I write AX plus BY plus C, that is one equation only now. That is why instead of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Understood? This is the general form. Okay. For the first equation, Saina, what is the coefficient of X? Coefficient of Y? Constant term. Hazel, for the second equation, what is the coefficient of X? How many Hazels are there? Tell. Coefficient of X. Coefficient of Y. And constant term. C2. Are we followed? In both, so this is the one identified. Okay. Now, graphically, what does it represent? This one. If you take this is a linear straight line. Graphically, this also straight line. Means if I draw these two in the graph paper, how many straight lines you will get? Two straight lines you will get. That means you have followed now. Not drawing the straight line, two straight lines you will get. By the way, I said in the last lecture, what is the meaning of solution? Value of the variables which satisfy the equation. If I ask you to find the solution, means value of the variable which should satisfy both the equation. Are you followed? Yes. Suppose it is coming out this way. X plus y is equal to, let's say 10. X minus y is equal to 2. If I take 6 and 4, check both will satisfy or not.
Yes.
6 plus 4 and 6 minus 4. Are you followed or not? I just this way, that is the solution. That means common value will satisfy both equations. Now let's get back. This represent one straight line, this represent another straight line. So in the same graph, if we draw means two straight lines can be drawn.
Yes, sir.
Two straight lines can be drawn in different ways. You will not open a book. Think how many ways you can draw? Okay, so two straight lines can be drawn in three ways. Oh, tell me. Tell.
Parallel, coinciding, and intersecting.
What do you mean coinciding?
Overlapping. Like that's it.
Yes. Two ways. Which are the two ways? Parallel and any other way. Parallel and non-parallel. How many ways?
So one is parallel.
How many ways?
Three.
Three ways.
One is parallel, one is intersecting, and one is when it's the same line.
That is coinciding. That's what
Okay,
it is.
okay, okay. Oh, thank you. Okay, very good. Oh. Now, you're not followed? Look here. Which lines are called which type of lines? Intersecting lines. Overlapping, isn't it? Overlapping coincidence. Okay. Oh, I forgot to turn on.
Intersecting, na?
Where?
If we extend them,
The intersecting, Pakka?
Yes.
Later on, it will not intersect.
intersecting.
Sure. Still intersect.
Sir,
It is intersecting, okay. You extend it and it intersects. So two lines can be drawn. Either it is intersecting, or it is parallel, or it is coincident. Coincident means overlapping. Okay, understood now? How many ways two lines can be drawn? Parallel, intersecting, coincident. What is it? No, white marking is there.
Sir,
Now, will they meet anywhere?
no.
That means there is no common value will satisfy now. That means these two equations have no solution. When the lines are parallel, there is how many solution? No solutions. Okay, zero solution, no solution. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
These two lines are how many points intersecting?
One.
1 point. So how many points they are common between them?
One.
Only 1 point.
One.
Therefore, how many solutions?
One.
Only one solution. One solution is called a unique solution. What solution? Unique solution.
Unique solution.
So intersecting means unique solution. These two lines, at how many points they are meeting?
Infinite.
Every point. Therefore, how many solutions? Infinite solutions.
Infinite.
Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
I repeat, when the lines are intersecting, one solution means unique solution. Lines are parallel, no solution. Lines are coincident. All of you follow this line? No problem. Now, this is by drawing the graph I can find out now. For that one, unfortunately, graph paper is not there with you now. Okay, there is a property there. Hi, Vedant, where did he go? Bye. Aditya, where is he gone? Oh, Acha, in between he got. Acha. So this is all. Now, without drawing the graph, without solving, there is a way is there to find out whether it is parallel, intersecting, parallel, unique solution or not. The property is this way. What is written over there? A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2. If you find out these ratios are not equal, then the two lines are intersecting. Are you followed? No need to write. I will give you all the properties. Relax. Learn. Okay. Now, second condition will come. What is written over here? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, which is not equal to C1 upon C2. If this condition satisfied, then the lines are parallel. Understood? Lines are parallel. When drawing the graph also, you will come to know. Okay. Next. Third one.
Same.
all the three ratios are equal, then we say the lines are coincident. Lines are not parallel, coincident. Coincident. This case, how many solutions?
One.
Unique solution. Lines are intersecting.
Intersecting.
How many solutions? No solutions. Lines are
Parallel.
infinite solutions. Or lines are coincident. Okay, are we followed?
Yes, sir.
This much you followed. Unique solution, no solution, infinite solution, intersecting, parallel, coincident. Doubt is there? I tell now, don't worry. Sure now. What? Lines are intersecting means unique solution. This is the condition. Lines are hurry up, control it. The way you're drinking that bottle also is. Okay, second condition. No water. Okay, so second condition. This condition is called for lines are parallel. When the lines are parallel, there is no solution. Okay, third case. This one is called lines are coincident. All the ratios are equal. Therefore, the lines are coincident means how many solutions? Infinite solutions. Clear now? I'm going to tell one more, two more words over here. Then only I'll make it to right. One is called consistent. Inconsistent. Consistent, inconsistent. Do you know, Anuj, what do you mean by consistent? They have a solution. How many cases they have a solution? Here there is a solution. Here also there are infinite solutions. If an equation, if a pair of equations have at least one solution, then we say they are consistent. Otherwise, it is called inconsistent. Have you heard about the word consistent? Consistent means if the equation have a solution. Here one solution, here it is infinite solution. Both the case we say consistent. Here, no solution. Therefore, inconsistent. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay, this is the nature of solutions. Have you followed?
Yes, sir.
Conditions we are going to write. Once we write, I will ask you. Did you write this one? Not one. What happens? Not? I'm going to make you to write now. Yes. This also not written now. Heading right. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations. China, I am coming soon. Neera, I am coming to your house. Pair of linear equation, two variables. Two variables. Instead of that one, somewhere you will see simultaneous linear equation also, same meaning. Okay? Pair of simultaneous. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Written all of you?
Yes.
Below right. General form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. The next line, right? a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Don't write this part.
What part?
This much you wrote?
Yes.
Wait, I'll tell you. Okay, this much is written. Below right. Nature of solutions or type of solutions. Nature of solutions. Of solutions. One. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Are you following now? Then the lines are intersecting. Lines are intersecting. Okay, lines are intersecting, comma. There is a unique solution. What is this?
Sir,
Sleeping writing. Lines are intersecting, comma, unique solution. Unique solution. All equations are consistent. Or anyone, if it is Okay, or why all the three things is given, whichever. Which means lines are all the same thing only. Lines are intersecting, or unique solution, or equations are, what did you write? Consistent. Written all of you.
Yes, sir.
In a question, if it is given, what is the condition for consistent means you have to write. Or what is the condition for unique solution means you have to write. That is why I am telling you. Okay. Second, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. Then lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. Comma, there is no solution. There is no solution. Or equations are inconsistent. Write properly. Don't be confused. Equations are inconsistent. Equations are inconsistent. Third, which one of you? Third, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, all three equal. Lines are coincident. You know what is the meaning of coincident? Coincident. Lines are coincident. 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 Or there are how many solutions? Infinite solutions. There are infinite solutions. Or equations are consistent. In bracket you write dependent. Okay. Dependent. No, not follow out, Cheshta.
This line. Those are the line.
Third one.
Yes.
Should I repeat?
Yes.
Lines are coincident or infinite solutions or equations are consistent, bracket dependent. Very rare case it may see dependent. Okay, I'll tell you why it is dependent. But all of you. Some secret here.
No, sir.
Okay, now completed. Dependent means you will see generally these equations. If it is coincident means one equation will be multiple of the other one. Okay, suppose if one equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 6. Next equation will be 4x. The 4x means 10y is equal to 12. Then only it should satisfy. Or ratios should be equal. Okay, that is all. That is right. Okay, this is clear. All of you followed? Studied now? Should I ask?
Yes, sir.
Sure. To whom should I ask this condition? You have to learn. To me? I'm going to ask you, okay?
Sorry.
Yes.
That's funny. Please. No, and
Very good. Let's learn. Let's learn. What flow? There's no flow here. Okay. Let's tell me what is your style. Change it to y by change next. How do you find out the slope? Okay, 2x plus 3y equal to 8. What is the slope? How? From God. So don't tell any. There is nothing not being low. You remember this page only, okay? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B. Okay. That's sure. Infinite solution. Addition. I think doesn't follow. Learn. Getting learned. It's a learn. Yes. Unique solution. Okay. Learn now. Coincidence. Okay.
Yes.
Sure. Chalo. Darshan.
Yes.
Learn. Four. Tira. Learn. Learn or not?
Yes.
Unique solution.
A1 by A2 is not equal to A1 by A2.
Oh. Chalo. Look here. I wrote two equations, okay? Aryan, tell me what is A1, B1, C1? Tell now, what is the value of A1? Speak. A1 is equal to 3, B1. No. -2. C1. No. You have to bring this 6 to the left. -6. Understood or not? Okay, Arush. What is A2, B2, C2? A2. 1. That is remember. If nothing is there means value is 1. B2. C2. -5. All of you are not comparing. Now they will ask what is the condition intersecting, parallel or coincident. So first you will find out what is the value of A1 upon A2. Yes, Ritika, what is A1 upon A2? Ritika is there. 3 by 1 is 3. Okay. Kushal, what is the value of B1 by B2?
2 by 1.
Why 2 by 1? What is B1? -2. What is B2? You are not listening. 3. A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2. So what is B1 by B2? -2 upon 3. Are they both equal? First one you got 3 and second one is -2 by 3. Not equal. If not equal, do we need to find the value of C1 by C2? No. They are not equal. What do you do? Whatever the question, read in the question. What they ask, you write that. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, always find out the ratio. And if the ratio, if first ratio and second ratio is not equal, don't need to find the third ratio. If first ratio and second ratio are equal, find the third ratio. If all three are equal, then it is coincident. Coincidence. Infinite solution. All three are equal. Array, you have written in your book now. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Third condition, understood? If two are equal and not equal to third one,
Then it is parallel.
parallel lines. Understood all of you? Not follow. Okay now? No problem? Confusion? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some of the topics are eliminated from this chapter. Huh?
Part of
Last part.
cross multiplication.
Only cross multiplication. Now, all of you take the page number 3939. Next class we will be doing as you know the 3.1 we will do 3.2 also. Graph. Okay. Page 39 all of you taken?
Yes.
Okay. Chester. Class work exercise first question read.
3.2, sir.
3.2 no, page 39. Page 39, 39. Krista, sorry, Krista. That is, she likes Shira, that's why.
No, I hate Shira. I hate Shira.
Again, Balak started. I think Chester read the question, that's why they are doing all this now.
On comparing the ratio A1 by B1 by B2 and C2 by C2, find out whether the line is representing the column that is from either equation reflect at the points are parallel or are opposite.
Okay, first equation.
First, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0.
Second equation.
9x plus 7x
अरे first equation क्यों चेष्टा क्योंकि
7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to
7x plus 6y minus 6. Okay, so first is A1 is equal to how much? 5. B1 is equal to C1 is equal to 8. A2 is equal to 7. B2 is equal to 6. C2 is equal to. Did you all write in your book?
Yes.
Is it right now? Boss? Then after that, find out what is A1 by A2. Don't write not equal to. First you find out is equal to pi by 7. Then find out what is B1 by B2. Minus 4 upon 6, which is same as minus 2 upon 3. Check are they equal? No. So no need to find out C1 by C2. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, what is the conclusion?
Unique solution.
What? Read the question what they asked. Now also say.
Carry intersecting.
So you write question answer. If you are writing unique solution, that is not the correct thing. What is written in the question, you have to write accordingly. Why equal writing? Right? Look at the board, what I have written and what you are writing. Yes, sir. Write A1 by A2. B1 steps right this way, then below right. Therefore, the lines intersect at a point. Therefore, the lines intersect at a point. Okay? Right now, Anush. Therefore, the lines intersect at a point. Are you followed?
Yes, sir. So,
Aryan, follow or not? Right, fast. Is it complicated? No confusion now. This chapter was done in one way? No. You tell what sleeping or what I've been looking so tired. You didn't have any lunch. What did you eat? With the rice, what? Soybean rice. Huh? Soybean rice. Wow, very good. Aryan, you ate now? Well, Aisal also eat now? No? You did not drink anything? Huh? No, actually. So you write, below right, by looking. So teacher also by looking. Write the second equation, write second pair, read now. Arey read Darshan.
sir, second one.
Huh? Arey read na.
9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y
18x plus 6y.
plus 24 is equal to 0.
Okay, there are some people are not done. For them only I am writing A1 is 9, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to 12. And some other people are waiting to copy down. A2, B2 and C2 is equal to 24. Therefore,
Answer.
A1 upon A2 is equal to 9 by 18, which is equal to how much? 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is equal to 12 by 24. This is easy now. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is equal to C1 by C. Therefore, the lines are
Coincident.
coincident. Yes. Yes.
Can we write it as divide it? We can say equation 1 and equation 2. divide equation by 2 and then we can.
Krishna, be quite very.
We just write dividing equation by 2.
Because dividing equation 2 by 2, then.
So we get 9 plus 3 plus
Then.
9 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 3.
Then.
We can write it as the same equation.
So.
So it is the same line, therefore they are defined.
Why you need to do? You have a conditions are given now, so prove it mathematically like that. Okay. Even after.
Yes.
But where is the long thing you did? So when you write this step on same thing long. You write this. And it is coming again. Then why don't you divide this by 3 again? First equation divide by 3. No.
So we can multiply by 2.
Also, the condition for coincidence reason show that condition. Okay. By looking, if it is a 1 mark question or no steps required, directly do. Okay, the steps they ask you have to do. Third one.
Sir, it is
Parallel. Okay, Ritika, read the question.
6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0.
Okay.
Second equation is 2x minus 5 plus 9 is equal to 0.
Okay, so what Ritika, what is the A1, B1, C1?
6 by
6 minus 3, 10. A2, B2, C2.
6 by sorry, sir.
Not said. I asked you what is A1, B1, C1. Good. So what is A1 by A2? 6 by 2 is how much? B1 by B2.
Minus 3 by minus 1.
How much?
3.
3. C1 by C2. 10 by 1.
9.
9.
You read the question 9, no? Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, not equal to C1 upon C2. Therefore, the lines are parallel. All of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having a problem? No problem now. Written.
Yes,
Easy now. Let's get started. Come here. All of you turn the page. It's somewhere here. You're one bench ahead of where you're getting disturbed now.
Are the 86?
I can find all here anyway. Now that book should not be a problem. Okay, you can settle that anyway. Okay, problem solved. I know sitting there was no problem. So, yeah, question done all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, so what is he doing now?
Right. This one
I did not done. What's so long here? Is it so long? All of you completed now?
Yes.
Okay, now take the first question and second question graphically you don't need to now. That's the next class. Okay, question number 3. Krista. So here it is now. Krista. Krista is there. No.
Yes. It's done.
Okay, Krishna. So what about Krista? What should we do?
Vaccination.
What should we do? What? Okay. Chalo. Let's read question number 3.
For each linear equation given in the table, write down another equation which forms intersecting line, parallel line, and coinciding line with the given line.
We are looking how stupid.
No.
Look at the book and find out what the meaning is. Meera, you all of you know how to write. You don't know and explain one question.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Explain. Okay. looking at these all questions, you have infinite type of solutions, equations you can write. So let's say I'll take, let's say 3x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. I need to write one equation which intersecting means if this equation and second equation intersecting means what should be the condition? So you start with anything, okay, x, anything you can write plus 2y. Now check, what is a1 upon a2? What is a1? 3. A2? 3 by 1. And 5 by 2. Not equal now. Plus any number you write. Okay, you have to write another equation such a way that this equation and this equation represent intersecting lines.
Sir, how
You want any answer you can write, provided the condition should be what? A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by. Okay, Ritika, tell one answer. Ritika, tell one answer. You can take as, huh? Anything you tell now. Any equation you tell.
3x plus 5.
I don't take 3x and 5, it will be A1 by 3x plus 2y you can take, no problem. Then check 3 by 3 is 1, 5 by 2 is not equal. Are you followed? Okay. Only when you write that condition, A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. Next is parallel one. Who can tell? What is the condition? A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C. I can multiply these two by, let's say, 2. What is coming? 6x plus 10y. It should not be multiplied by 2. It should be multiplied. Minus even 7 also you can write. Or minus 17 also I can write. Now check. A1 by A2 check. 3 by 6. How much? 1 by 2. 5 by 10. 1 by 2. Minus 7 upon minus 17. Not 1 by 2. Are you followed? Third one, coincident means multiply this by any number. Let's say 4 I multiply. 4 3s are 12. X. 4 5s are 20. Y. 4 7s are 28. Or check, everything will look as satisfied. 3 by 12, 5 by 20, minus 7 by 20. Are you followed, all of you? Everyone followed? Yes or no? This girl, Saira? Huh? Followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then write, take you the question. This is I just taken them. In the volume, if you want to write, volume write with the pencil. Or in a text. Not okay. Now what happens there? Confusion is there.
No, sir.
I will tell, I will explain now, don't worry. When she 10 times she thinks, should I ask, should I not? Should I ask, should I not? Whenever confusion, doubt is there, ask, don't worry. Okay. Not problem.
Answer could differ, right?
Answer what I am writing. There are, you are writing the way, she is writing the way. What? Tell.
So this question, you have to say a random question.
This is random, it is not for the one. I just took one question. Go, what? Huh? Break time is for what? Huh?
Then it's hard before that.
Answer one, everyone or you go. Now nobody rush. What happened? This girl is facing. She is not followed. Arey, take the question. This is not the question. I just found one next one. Sorry. Saina. Okay, you are not the answer? We are waiting to I to write. Okay, no problem. Done. Intersecting parallel coincidence.
Yes.
It should satisfy that condition only. Any answer. All of you must be writing different answers. There is no problem. You are not all. Very good. Huh? Huh? Come in. You're feeling sleepy or what?
Yes, sir.
Oh, afternoon you have to sleep. Yes, come in. Only two will went out now. Yes, that's written all. Yes. I think how these two are parallel. These are oh, is it the same? And it was still.
So, yeah, no.
She has all the mail. He is waiting to copy down. I asked, do you have it out? He said no.
Sir, that's the one second.
All others are done. You are
I tried to answer it.
right. The answer now. What do you do?
Seven.
Written. I'll do it. Written. Is it written? Yes, the first one. Don't need to check that or no verification. Write example only. Okay, nothing to check directly. Write the answer only. That when you have to calculate yourself, no need to show. Krishna. Now Krishna. But this now you're Krishna now. Then when you vaccine people, you do not tell which means.
I told them, I told them to send you the certificate also, but then it took.
Your Aadhaar card, what is it? Then God, your God, not here. They'll ask you
You
to
want to see I have.
what?
Vaccination certificate to Krishna. Aadhaar card to Krishna. But they don't, it is not valid. When I went to do the second dose, they were like, hey, Krishna, as a chalta.
So you took the second dose? Go.
But I was COVID positive and I was I have recovered, and it's been
That's the last year. 2 years.
yeah, almost.
Okay, now. Hello. Hey, Saira. Write the answer now. She's busy talking vaccination. This is right. Another one is sitting. No, Kira. Neera. Okay. Read the first question. Equation.
3y minus 8 is equal to 0.
2x plus
3y
minus
8.
Okay, that should tell me your example for intersecting.
4x plus 5y minus 10.
4x plus 5y minus 10 equal to 0. Now look here, others here written different answer. Don't say this is the only answer. How to change 2 by 4? 2 by 4. How much? 1 by 2. 3 by 5. So not equal. Okay now. Hazel, tell the parallel line for this one. What did you write? 12y or 12x? But this how it is coming? 2 by 12 now. That is 1 by 6 will come now. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. How 12x is coming? 12x cannot be now. 2y 12 is how much? 1 by 2 now. And 3 by 6 is 1 by, are you followed? 1 by 6 and 1 by. How can you make this? Can be made it as instead of 4x, you can write now. 3, 2 by 4, 1 by 2. 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Other two will not be. Okay. Arya Jadab.
Yes.
I know your question.
Yes.
Okay. Read. 18x plus 27y minus 72 equal to 0. Check now which is correct or not. 2 by 18. 3 by, what is the problem? Chief, Vishna. 2 by 18. 3 by 27. 8. So all are 1 by 9. Very good idea. Okay. Kushan, second question read. Question read.
Sorry, 3x minus 4y minus 12.
Minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, intersecting you read.
Fixing I have written 3x minus 5y minus 5.
Correct now? 3 by 3, 1. Minus 4 upon minus 5 is 4 by 5, not equal. Okay? Kaveri, sorry. Neera. Parallel. You don't write. Vedant, parallel. Vedu.
Sir, I'm doing
Huh? Very good, smart. Aditya. Parallel.
6, 6 minus
See of Aditya. Again, new chain name also come. You tell Aditya.
15x minus 20y minus 24 is equals to 0.
15x minus 20y minus 24 equal to 0. You can get 3 by 15 minus 4 by minus 20. Both are 1 by 4, 12. It is
Sir,
not.
even what I said.
So what did you tell?
I said.
What did I say?
6, 6.
Did you write in your book?
No.
That is the problem now. Okay. Next, Aryan, you will not even answer now. This one. Coincidence.
6x
Minus
8y
okay.
minus 20 is equal to 0.
What happened here? Tired or what? You had lunch. You brought the milk. No, directly. Tired or what? Okay. Follow up now.
Yes.
Different answer. Same answer.
Last one is same.
Some. Okay. Understood all of you?
Yes.
Oh, madam.
Yes.
Followed.
Yes.
All of you
Sir, is
complete.
this correct?
What?
Please check.
I think how taking method also I said no. Unique means A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, understood now? Well,
Yes.
remaining part of this exercise. Chase. Talking. Krishna is talking again. Please disturbing.
Why do we? Look, there are so many people not to.
Probably people.
We have to have many classes.
So many without reason. Okay. Darshan.
The higher is very big.
Now, okay now. They are fighting for names only. Very bad. No. Okay now. You have completed, you have keep on writing something. Name you are writing. Hey, okay now, parallel and all okay. Now listen, now we have graphical method, we will do it as when we print the graph. We are going to do the different methods, algebraic ways are there to do. Algebraic ways are there. There are 3 ways are there in your textbook, algebraic ways solving. One is called elimination, substitution method. Second method is called elimination method. Third method is called cross multiplication. That part is cancelled one all of you. Not cancelled one. Cancelled one dollar. Sir, cancel. Polynomial, sir, third extension is cancelled. Second extension is. No. So we are going to do. So first it's called substitution method. Substitution method is also known as elimination by substitution. Elimination method is also known as elimination by equating the coefficient. Now how it is to be done means, listen. Two equations are written over there. Okay. First of all, does it have unique solution or not? Does it have unique solution or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
One of you should tell why it is unique. Arya, tell why it is unique solution. Arya, tell now what is not fine. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1. No need to write, just check only. 4 by 1 and 2 by 3, not equal. Okay, therefore there is no unique solution. Now I am going to tell how to do it by which method? Substitution method. There are 4 different ways you can start. Any one. Take any one of the equation. Either first equation or second equation. Always take the simplest equation. Among this one, which is simplest for you?
X minus 3.
X man, because X is. So you took from. So X minus 3y is equal to 4. Now from here, I can express either X in terms of Y or Y in terms of X. Which is the easier way to express?
X in y.
X in terms of Y, because X is equal to 4 plus 3y. Are you followed this also?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is from which equation? Second equation. This you substitute in which equation?
One.
Not in the second equation, the other equation. So substituting in equation 1. So equation 1 is this one. 4 into X will be replaced as what? 4 plus 3y. Minus 2y is equal to 7. Till here any problem?
No.
So I did the substitute.
So that is why you eliminated now X. Eliminate X is bound now. Now you can solve now. You know how to solve one variable equation now. So we can remove that X from here. So we got in one variable now. You know from 5th standard on 6th studied now how to solve in one variable. That is why. So now how will we solve this one?
So we'll open the bracket.
Opening the bracket, what will you get?
16 plus 12.
So what do you do? 12y minus 2y. 10y. 16 plus 10.
No, sir, I just said.
Therefore, 10y is equal to minus 9. Y is equal to minus. Remember, answer can be in fraction. It can be decimal. Not that always an integer will come. So what is to be done this y? This y substitute in any one of the equation, you will get the value of x. Either first one or second one. I will substitute in second one. From 2 or substituting in 2. So what we get? X we don't know. Minus 3 times minus 9 upon 10 is equal to how much? 4. Or x plus 27 upon 10 is equal to 4. What is to be done? X equal to 4 minus 27 upon 10. How will you simplify? How will you simplify? LCM. What will you get? 40 minus 27 upon 10 which is equal to 13 by 10. Therefore, the solution answer is coming as x is equal to 13 by 10 and y is equal to minus 9 by 10. This value will satisfy both the equations. If you verify also you can see. Are you followed?
Yes.
If you want to check, you can check. 13 into 4, 52. Then minus 9 into minus 2, 18. 52 plus 18 is 70 by 10 is 7. Second equation, if you have to substitute, 13 by 10 minus 3 into minus 9, 27. Okay, therefore 13 plus 27 is 40 upon 10 is 4. Don't cry, Ritika, don't worry. Not followed. I will explain again, don't worry. No?
So the question.
I'm followed now.
So we can substitute it of the
Which one?
for example, this 4.
These both the equations should satisfy.
So both will go.
Both will satisfy. That is why solution now. What is the meaning of solution? It should satisfy both the equations simultaneously. Understood? That's why called simultaneous equation. Your problem solved? Yes. What is your problem?
Lines are parallel.
Are a parallel thing we are getting? Do we have a solution? No. So no solution. Huh? First, let's see non-parallel things. You always thinking about data meta things. Yes. So parallel will be, that there are ways. First learn this one. After that, I will tell you how to solve parallel. And how can solve this process. Then why did you ask me? Both the ways. If I tell solving, you will tell why to solve. If I am not solving, then how to solve. Okay. Okay, don't worry. So we will put that type of thing. Okay. How it is solving, how to identify. Also, I tell you. 7 by 8 you learn now. All of you follow. Not follow. If I give one question, you can do it.
Yes.
2 people.
Yes,
If I give
sir.
one question, you can do.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. Right. Easy now.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion if it is there, please tell. No confusion. What people? Answer should come. Krisha. Good, good. Dx minus 2y. 2 equations. Simple equations. Solve. Chadar, do na.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Following now. Good. Why complete discussion is going on this Neera? If anyone unable to do, tell me. Huh? Who said something? Kritika, what happened there? Answer is no. I also got fraction. That time you did not tell anything. I did not get fraction. 13 by 10 is not fraction. This man, my and X is y is not in front. You this man. What is this y? At X in terms of y. So what? Sir. X is equal to 4 plus 2y upon 3. Cross multiplication. Two people got the answer also. Neera got the answer. Raina got the answer. See, he's hiding. How many of you are unable to do? How many are unable to do? Raise the hand now. How many are unable to do? Not. Only you. So we will solve the problem now. Mr. Darshan Kumar, what the answer? You are talking only. All other than I am not doing. There are people are done. He has done. 2 people are done. People are done before that. Right? What is showing? Right? When is your birthday again? Over. What going on? September. Whose birthday is in May? 15th. Sunday. When is your birthday?
Birthday.
Huh? August.
21st August.
If that day we will all bake Shira and drink. No. Now, listen all of you. You found it. Fine. All of you listen now. Okay, that means time is enough. Listen. You have two equations are there. 1, 2. Look, I take from 1. We take as 2x plus 5y is equal to 9. 2x is equal to 9 minus 5y. X is equal to 9 minus 5y upon 2. This much you got. Ritika, you got this way. Oh, Rituk, where is the book? Understood this much? Then what is to be done? Is to be substituted in equation 2. So substituting it 2. So what did you get? 3 times x is 9 minus 5y upon 2 minus 2y is equal to 4. Have you followed this step? Are you all of you followed? Now,
Yes, sir.
there are different ways to simplify this one. Listen carefully. Anuj, stop now. Now, there are you listen one of the way. That also is correct. Krishna, listen here. Now, this you done means you are troubling others. Now, there is a 2, there is a problem all of you are facing. What you do means there are different ways you can remove 2. You just multiply by 2 throughout. Multiplying by 2. So what will you get? This will come 3 times 9 minus 5y. This will come minus 2 into 2 is 4y is equal to 8. Your fraction problem is solved. I multiplied 2 throughout. So 2 into this, 2 and 2 is cut. 2 into 2, 2 into 4.
Sir, it should be 6.
6 by 2 is how much?
Sir, what if the 2 is transpose?
Transpose means you take the LCM and cross multiply.
Yes, sir. That
That is like 2.
You 2, hello madam, 2 will not go to the right side. First you have to take the LCM. Is it common denominator? X by x by 2 plus 3, so 2 can be taken, that's it. Huh? That is why not Krishna? You have to take the LCM. Then only. Is it common denominator to cross multiply? Not that your own way. This is maths. No. Okay. You cannot cross multiply this one. Had it been if it is denominator, fraction, this one, both the sides should be fraction, cross multiplication. Understood now? Okay. Followed, what is the mistake now?
Yeah.
Okay, then open the bracket. 9 3s are 27 minus 15y minus 4y is equal to 8. If I want 27 minus 8 is equal to 15y plus 4y. 27 minus 8 is what? 19 is equal to 19y. Y is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Y equal to 1. Understood or not?
Yes.
Please substitute in any one of the equation, let's say from 1. 2x. Four by 2. 2. X equal to 2. So the solution is 2, 1.
Sir, I got it.
Very good. Are you followed, all of you? Followed?
Yes, sir.
It's not necessary. Whatever you take, the same way you do it, you'll get the answer. You took from here x now. So only here, you must have got 3x is equal to 4 plus 2y. X is equal to 4 plus 2y upon 3 you got now.
Sir, I got minus 2y minus 2y.
Why? Array shift this 2y to this side now. 3x is equal to 4 plus 2y. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus 2y upon 3. Homework is given to you all.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Polynomial.
Sir, give one question to this.
You want more uses over?
Sir, this one. Sir, question number 10.
Not ready to go? Next time we will go on.
Bring the answer. Give the answer.
And polynomial gives you a system. People wanted more homework. That's why you don't want to do the homework when they wanted more homework. You know, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Don't worry now.
वे ओए क्या मस्ती कर रहे थे बेटा अगर तो मुश्किल ही क्या लास्ट में भी बैठते हैं क्या होती है
उनमें क्या होता है ऑफिस में
कोई भी
नहीं सब होता है और नहीं